Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting into these natural nails right here. Okay, well, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, per usual, I'm going to apply cuticle oil to my nails, and I'm going to rub that in before I add the matte top coat, because I'm going to be doing the easy peel method, because I'm going to peel these off when I'm done recording. I'm going to use matte top coat, and then I'm going to cure my nails for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply a layer of base coat before I go in with my builder gel. And then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds when I'm done. I was going to do a builder gel, but I changed my mind. I kind of want this chrome to come out a little bit more, so I have this, like, it's not white, it's like a very dusty tannish color. This is the color number, and I haven't used this in a while. You know, why not? Let's see how that makes the chrome look. Just want to shake it up a little bit. If you guys have not done so already, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also hit that like button, leave some comments, show your girl some love. These are looking atrocious at the moment, but let's see if the second coat will help these out at all. Fingers crossed. Let's do one more coat and see if that will make any differences to even this out. All right, I'm just gonna file these a little bit because I got a lot all over the place and just want to make it a little more crispy if I can. These are looking so rough, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, now I'm gonna apply some matte top coat to the nail. Now I'm going to use chrome powder Depending on if this comes out good, I might try it with a tip. But right now, my optimism is a little low. Do some more top coat to try and seal it in. Now I'm going to take some alcohol and wipe them off. OMG, this is so ugly. Okay, let me add a top coat. Wow, these are so ugly. Okay, let's try and save these. Now we're going to add chrome on the whole nail. Gonna wipe them off again with some alcohol. All right, guys, we made it to the end. I'm not in love, I'm not gonna lie. This was like a little bit of a fail, but I will say they're a little cool. They kind of have the ombre chrome effect, I guess. But you know what? This is why we're going through this together. We will have some fails. So that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.